The next match is the Colorado Avalanche and the Nashville Predators. Already got the teams set up. The Avs already have it, and they'll score! The Avalanche will score the first ever goal of the match. The Predators win the face-off. Off the goal post. That would have tied this game. 2-0 Avalanche. Back of the net as well. And finally, the Predators are on the board. Back of the net for Nashville. What a save by the Predators. Almost tied it up here. What a save by Nashville. Another beautiful save. Nashville playing their best defense yet. Almost tied it. What a save by Nashville. What a save by Nashville. What a save by Nashville. And they'll tie it! Now I've got that song stuck in my head. The Predators with the lead. Avalanche tie it up. What a save by Colorado, and they'll take the lead. Four 3 Avs. Back of the net for Colorado. Almost a goal. A game-tying goal. Nearly converted by the Predators. Over the crossbar. 5-3 Avalanche. back of the net. Five to 4, Avalanche. What a save by Colorado. Oh, the game-winning goal. What a save by Nashville. Off the goalpost. What a save by Nashville. We're tied at 5. Back of the net, Predators. That one clangs off the goalpost. The Predators score! Nashville can win it right here. Avalanche score! Tied at 6. Back of the net, Colorado. Nashville scores! 6 to 7 Predators are up. Back of the net for Nashville. The game-tying goal missed by Colorado. What a save by Colorado. The long goal off. Colorado saves it. And they'll tie it. I don't think I've ever seen a ball go through the goal before. We're tied at 7. I've seen goals that have gone to the back of the net but never through it. Off the goalpost. Nashville scores! They are up 8 to 7. They can win it right here if they score again. Colorado trying to be clutch. Look at them save that shot. Colorado ties it up. This is intense. Who's gonna win? Back of the net for Colorado. Nashville scores! They can win it right here. It's 9-8 Preds. Back of the net for Nashville. The Predators win! Final score 10-8. So long from the Bridgestone Arena.